your birthday? When is your birthday? Ask the bear with you. Ask bear. When is your birthday?
The 19.
How old are you on November 19?
2.
2.
2. Where do you live? Where do you live now? Where do you live now? Like Chico? Is right?
Mama. Mama. Mama.
Oh, where do you live?
Mama.
Where?
Tito.
Like Chico.
Mama.
Yeah.
Mama.
Oh, where?
Tito.
Like Chico. How about Sanyan? Where do you live, Sanyan?
Tito.
Chico. Pacifica?
Cat.
62.
2.
62.
B.
Yeah. High five. Give high five to Bear now. Yeah. And eat bulaga.
Da.
Diba? Eat bulaga dito, Bear.
Da.
Eat bulaga.
Rubok.
You read book.
Oh, you read
Oh,
book with
yeah.
the bed with the bear. Read the book with the bear.
Wow.
Wow. Which one you read? Bear? Which one you like? Or the bear? Which one? Properly, you take care. Which one the book? Using alphabet only. Come on, using alphabet. Using A. Using with bear. A.
A. T. D.
E.
F.
E. For continue. E. With bear also. Sing with you alphabet. A. B. C. Come on now. D. E. F. G. You sing. You also.
Oh.